Department. You guys are tyrants.
Go to the police department film. Let me know how that works out for you.
Oh, you can't film there either?
No, you can't.
Oh, really? Okay. This is going to be seen by thousands. Good. Good. We're not breaking any law.
Explain something that's not corresponding to this. It's not
by statute.
You should investigate. You should investigate both sides properly.
I know you know the trespassing statute, but you don't know.
You should investigate. Why don't you watch our videos and see what we did?
If I don't leave, you're going to trespass me?
Leave. Leave.
Under threat of arrest?
Leave. Leave.
Is this under threat of arrest?
Leave.
Oh my God. What was the name of that number?
Sergeant Fowle, 71330.
Sergeant.
Leave.
Sergeant, you should know that we have the right to be here.
Leave.
I will leave.
You do have a right to be here, yes.
And we haven't broken the law. We haven't been disorderly or interfered.
You have a right to be here.
I'll gladly leave because I just got what I wanted. Thank you. I just got what I wanted. I don't need to go to jail over people who don't know about our rights.
Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.
Yep. We'll see how this works out when we put a blondie on the thumbnail. We'll see how it works out when we put a blondie in the thumbnail.
All right, have a good
Good
day.
officers look at it.
That's cool, man. Have a good day.
Puts all the citizens in danger, speeding through the town over guys with cameras. You guys are losers.
Yep. Use 13. Use 13 and use 8. You're going to be on the news. Cool. You think it's cool right now? I do.
Yeah, go ahead. Go home and tell your kids you're a hero.
Why you covering, buddy?
Because I have a guy with a gun.
All right, guys, listen up because this one gets wild real fast. Welcome back to the channel where we break down your rights and expose the dangers of losing them without even realizing it. Today's story is a brutal example of how quickly authorities can twist a peaceful moment into a hostile interrogation. No proof, no crime. Yet suddenly you're treated like a suspect. And the moment you calmly show you're innocent, boom, they get triggered. Before we jump in, smash that like button and drop your thoughts because the world needs awareness. And these videos only spread if you help push them. Now, buckle up, because the chaos begins inside a public office where cameras alone cause panic.
Especially when this whole operation and this whole building and everything that goes on here and their pet salaries and everything is coming from you.
Good, how are you? Okay, good.
Are you a police officer?
Well, first of all, who are you?
Well, if you're a police officer, I'd love to speak with you. Yeah, I'll let you know who I am, but are you?
No, I
Well,
need to know
if
what
you're a
you
police
do.
officer, I'd love to speak with you.
Planning director.
Okay. All right, good. Well, my name's Enrique. We're here not to interrupt your business whatsoever, but we're working on a story. They never took a moment to speak to us. We have not only we have the right to be here.
First, why are you here?
I just told you I'm working on a story for news purposes, and we have we have millions of people that tune into our platform, so it's on your best interest to
No,
not.
we're not going to threaten me.
But that's not threatening. I'm just letting you know.
You are.
No, I'm just letting you know you're being watched by a lot of people.
I don't
so,
care. I need
well,
to
maybe
know
you
what you're
should.
doing.
Maybe you should. I'm letting you know. We're here working on a new story. You guys, I can't interfere with you guys, and you guys can't interfere with me. This goes both ways, sir.
I'm not interfering with anything. I need
Your
to know
employees
why
are.
you're here.
Well, I don't really need to discuss my day with you. This is a public building. Like I said, as long as I don't interfere with your business, you can't stop the business and interfere with mine, because these videos are being taxed by a lot of dollars. So you cannot get me to stop my job. We didn't come here to start trouble.
All right, guys, picture this. The moment filming starts, the employees lose their cool and demand the camera stop rolling inside a public space funded by taxpayers. Instead of professionalism, they throw attitude, acting like they control the Bill of Rights. They insist filming is interfering, yet not a single customer complained. They even try pushing people out, claiming privacy issues, but privacy is something they create, not something you surrender. Meanwhile, a sign asks for courtesy, but has zero legal authority. And the craziest part? Everything in that building, every paycheck, every brick comes from you. The public they want to silence.
Anything. So you may want to
If
educate
you're being
yourself.
hostile to
I'm not
us,
being
then-
hostile.
then
We've
I
been more
have
than
every right
we've
to
been more
ask
than
you to
nice
not
and
be.
we've been more than nice and humble. What have I said that's not nice?
Filming while we're helping customers.
That's the only problem. Filming cannot be considered interfering. So we have the right. We have freedom of the
I'll
press.
tell you what, we'll call the sheriff's department.
Good, and that's the best thing, so that they can determine that. Oh, it's a girl cop. Hi. How's it going? Can we have your name and batch number, please?
Sure, it's Bishop 004257. Can I help you with something?
Yes, we came over here in peace, quietly. We're working on a story for news purposes. We clearly explained this to this gentleman over here. The employees are not happy about us filming. They're encouraging the citizens to say that they don't want to be filmed. No citizen has said, please don't film me or anything like that. Employees are very triggered about our camera, and he's very triggered about the fact that we're not sharing much information about what we're doing. But in fact, I did tell him pretty much what I'm doing. We're working on a news story.
Okay, hang on 1 second for me. Did you
we have the right.
out of the building?
Yes.
Okay, hang on 1 second for me. I'll be right back.
What did she? What did she say?
I said, hang on 1 second. I'll be right back.
Asked if someone asked us to step out the building.
And we are.
Then out of nowhere, bam, an officer storms and acting tough before even understanding the situation. And instead of asking questions, he demands identification like he owns the place. But the auditors keep their cool, reminding him that the Fourth Amendment is not optional. They're working on a news story, gathering content for millions of viewers, yet the officer tries flexing authority with no legal basis. The employees, triggered beyond control, keep insisting filming is a threat. But the truth is simple. Filming is not interference. Exercising a right is not a crime. Still, instead of de-escalation, tension begins to rise.
Out the building. So can I speak to your supervisor? Because
Why do you need a supervisor?
honestly, ma'am, they called for some camera guys, and we just literally saw you with your siren speeding through the whole town.
Right, but you don't get to dictate how I respond to...
Well, I mean, you should know that. You should have just told them that it's what are they doing? You should investigate. You see, this is not this is a public place. We are not in a private property.
Right, but
as
if
long
you
as
wanna
we don't
have
interfere.
any type of law enforcement act with someone like that...
What do you mean law enforcement act?
Right, but you're trying to school me on my job, and I responded to a call for service where you're not even identifying yourself for them.
Well, I mean, don't we have the Fourth Amendment? I haven't broken the law. That's what I'm saying. We're here working. These videos are being taxed.
Okay,
So
and that's
we have the
fine,
right
but
to be
they
here.
asked you to identify yourself and you didn't.
That's because we rather choose not to, man. We don't have to discuss our day. We nicely told them we're
You
working.
can't film over other people's
But yes, we can.
shoulders
We're
when
not-
they have credentials
we-
going. They ask you
we-
to step
we're
away
not
from
here-
them and you
we're-
don't fucking talk over me.
Excuse
Stop.
me?
You need to get your supervisor
Okay,
here now.
let's stop.
Excuse me?
I'm trying to have a conversation.
You're
with you, and
escalating.
you
You're
are not even
escalating.
having a regular
You're
conversation.
escalating.
You're standing here and speaking over
This lady is. I don't understand what's going on.
Come here and tell me what's wrong.
Sure. So we're working on a news story, right, sir? We're more than nice people.
You're working on a new what?
We're working.
All right, guys, here's where things explode. A second officer arrives, this time a female cop. And instead of calming the situation, she instantly acts defensive. She speeds into the parking lot, lights flashing, as if responding to a bank robbery instead of two guys with cameras. And when asked why she overreacted, she snaps back, refusing to admit the call was exaggerated. She keeps pushing for names, ignoring the fact that no law requires citizens to explain their day. The conversation goes in circles, and the officers get more agitated simply because the auditors know their rights. Instead of listening, she escalates the situation with pure ego.
In a news story, we have millions of people that tune into our platform. Okay, we may not look like the average camera person, I guess, but we walked in there. We have the right to work in there. We're not trying to interfere with the business whatsoever. So we're just working on a video, brother. And the lady in there, they all went wild because they didn't want to be filmed.
This is the planning department. What do you guys
We go to the planning department all over the nation. This is not
For what?
for news purposes. We have millions of people that watch our videos, sir.
What's your news story you're covering here?
We're trying to see how respectful they are in covering the service. That's it. And then
What service
obviously,
do you need from them?
well, we usually go and ask for public records and stuff. We're waiting our
Okay,
turn.
what public records can I help you get today?
Well, I want to know about filming in the lobby, first of all, since that's a problem. We have the right. There's no policy that says that we can't film in the lobby.
What
This lady
records?
just cursed me out for no
Fine.
reason.
Well, I apologize for that. I'll talk to her about that. I'm her supervisor. He's her supervisor. So we'll talk about that.
So
Question
you
is,
do
what-
agree?
What can I help you get from the planning department today?
Well, can you get them to respect our right to video record, because that's all we want. We're not here to interfere, brother. So we just need a few minutes working in there, in our
You wanna
video.
just go in and film the lobby?
Film the lobby for like 10 minutes and that's it. We'll be out. Like, I don't understand what's the problem. The police never was needed here, you know? And we're more...
Now watch this part carefully because it shows exactly how intimidation works. The officer starts talking over everyone, throwing around statutes she clearly doesn't fully understand. She claims they're creating a disturbance, yet the only disturbance is her yelling. When corrected, she gets even louder, proving she's more focused on winning an argument than enforcing the law. The auditors remain calm, reminding her that to trespass someone, a law must be broken. But she doesn't want to hear logic. She takes basic questions as disrespect, and when confronted with the truth, she doubles down like a ticking time bomb.
Really nice. We haven't said foul language. We haven't been rude. I have everything on video. So this is not like a public place.
Statute 203-119, you should probably look that up.
That's 203-200.
203-119.
200 trespassing. He's talking about 203.
But we don't we need to break the law in order to be trespassed?
You're violating Nevada Revised Statute 203.119.
What is that?
Hey, you guys want to be educated?
I'm talking to him.
And I'm talking to you.
Is he your superior? No.
No. So listen, if you guys want to come in here and act like you're going to educate us, I'm going to educate you real quick. Under NRS 203-119, you cannot come in here and create a disturbance.
That we never did.
Cool. They're saying that you're filming over people and looking at
Well, that's what they're saying.
Shut up.
Excuse me?
You need to calm
Do
down.
you want me to say it again?
You don't need to speak to us like that.
I'm explaining to you that you're violating
That's
the
rude.
law and
That is
doing
rude.
this.
You're interrupting him.
I'm explaining to
We're
you
not
that
his property. He's telling you you're breaking the law and you're
I'm
interrupting him.
explaining to you that you're breaking the law under a specific NRS.
We never broke the law. That's
If
what I'm
you
saying.
wanna
Yes, you did. He's
read
trying to
it.
explain it. If you be quiet, he'll explain it to you.
be a law.
It's not trespassing.
Do you have brain damage?
He's trying to say that we were disorderly in there. We
Whoa.
weren't.
I'm explaining
You're
to
gonna be
you.
fired. Brain damage? That's nothing to play around
I'm
with.
asking you.
There's lots of kids and
'Cause you
people
don't
that have brain
understand
damage,
what
and
I'm-
you're making fun of it.
Cool.
Where's
If
your
you guys don't have
supervisor?
any business, kick rocks.
I need to talk to your supervisor.
You're not
need to
talking
leave.
to my supervisor. If
You need to
If
leave.
you have business,
Okay, we'll go to the police department. We'll go to the police.
All right, guys, buckle in, because this is where the sparks fly. A supervisor finally arrives, and for a moment, it seems like sanity might return. He apologizes for his employee cursing and asks what the auditors need. They explain clearly, they just want to film the lobby, 10 minutes, nothing more. They're not causing trouble. They're not blocking business. They just want public employees to respect public rights. But suddenly, the female officer jumps in again, claiming they violated some NRS statute they've never even heard of. The auditors try to explain, but she keeps interrupting, pushing harder, trying to twist the situation into a crime that never happened.
Police department. You guys are tyrants.
Go to the police department and film. Let me know how that works out for you.
Oh, you can't film there either?
No, you can't.
Oh, really? Okay. This is gonna be seen by thousands. Good.
I'm trying to explain
Good.
the law that you're violating.
We're not breaking any law.
Explain something that's not corresponding to this.
It's not revised statute.
You should investigate. You should investigate both sides properly.
I know you know the trespassing statute, but you don't know.
You should investigate. Why don't you watch our videos and see what we did?
If I don't leave, you're gonna trespass me? They ask me?
Leave. Under threat of arrest? Leave. Leave. Is this under threat of arrest? Leave.
Oh my God.
What was your name at that number? Sergeant Fowl, 71330.
Sergeant.
Leave.
Sergeant, you should know that we have the right to be here.
Leave.
I will leave.
You do have a right to be here. Yes, you're
And we haven't broken the law. We haven't been disorderly or interfered.
have a right to be here.
I'll gladly leave because I just got what I wanted. Thank you. I just got what I wanted. I don't need to go to jail over people who don't know about our rights.
Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.
Yep. We'll see how this works out when we put a blondie on the thumbnail. We'll see how it works out when we put a blondie in the thumbnail.
All right. Have a good day.
Officers look at it.
That's cool, man. Have a
Puts
good day.
puts all the citizens in danger, speeding through the town over guys with cameras. You guys are losers.
Yep. Use 13. Use 13 and use 8. You're gonna be on the news. Cool. You think it's cool right now? I do.
Yeah, go ahead. Go home and tell your kids you're a hero.
Why you quivering, buddy?
Because I have a guy with a gun.
At this point, things become pure chaos. The officer gets offended, throws accusations, and even mocks brain injuries, showing just how unprofessional she truly is. Instead of focusing on law, she focuses on ego. She orders them to leave, pretending it's a lawful trespass. But no crime happened, no disorderly conduct, no interference. Yet she claims authority she doesn't legally have. The auditors, realizing the situation won't improve, decide to walk out. Not because they're wrong, but because they already captured exactly what they came for. Proof of abuse, intimidation, and pure ignorance of the law.
Violating my rights.
Oh, so you're scared?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You guys are dangerous. Yes.
You're gonna be on news.
Yes. You're happy to terrorize the citizens.
Live. What a loser.
Yeah. Go fuck yourself.
Bye, guys.
And finally, guys, the aftermath hits. The officers start bragging, laughing, and acting like heroes while the auditors calmly leave. But the truth is painfully clear. They responded like tyrants to simple cameras. They escalated a peaceful moment into a confrontation, assuming guilt from the start. This video, brought to you by Auditing America, exposes how easily rights can be crushed when authority goes unchecked. This is why you must know your rights and always hold public servants accountable. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your thoughts, and help spread awareness. And remember, always record the police, because without the camera, the truth disappears.